What's up, guys? We're in Chandler, Arizona. This is a different property. This is actually the most recent purchase. We have a couple going on in Chandler, Arizona right now. This one is very similar to the one that we have a couple minutes over west. It's a 1,200 square foot, 1981 build, 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, single story, non HOA. So everything that I like in a Chandler property. I love these non HOAs, older builds in good areas. This one's going to require a little bit more work than what I thought. I think I budgeted, man, I don't remember, 40 when I came in here. I think it's going to be closer to 45. So this one is a tighter deal, and I do have hard money on it. We're just going to have to move really fast, and hopefully we can get top dollar for it. Should be relatively straightforward, though. Roof's in good shape. HVAC's in 3 or 4 years old, to my understanding. The previous owners did leave a lot of trash in here, which the wholesaler said that it would be cleaned and vacant. So that's going to be an issue because it's going to be several $1,000s just removing the trash in this property, including this giant structure back here, which I'm interested to see what kind of quote we get on that. Landscaping, it's a big backyard. I believe it's 8,000 square foot lot and just dirt. So we are going to have to put in some work into this as well. Probably $6,000 in just landscaping alone. Yeah, the rest of the house is all original. We do have some newer doors, which is nice. The windows are original, so that's going to be an issue, and not an issue when we go to sell it. It's just not going to be a selling point because they are original aluminum windows. Kitchen, we're not going to do anything here. The idea would be to blow out this section, but then you kind of lose, obviously your fridge would, or no, your stove would go there. So just a little bit more complicated. If we had an unlimited budget, we'd probably do some sort of island stove, but it's just for the limited budget that we have and for this price point, we're not going to worry about changing anything in terms of the layout at all. You go through that door, you actually have a good sized laundry room and into the enclosed garage, which is a nice little touch. So you have some storage space, an actual closet, washer dryer hookups right there. You have your living area, decent size. It feels a little bit bigger than that 1,200 square feet, which is always a good feeling when you walk through it. You have your bathroom. This is a full bathroom. We're going to keep it like that. We're going to keep the tub in there. You want to show it? A little rough. But all this, no matter what, all this is just going to get demoed and gutted and redone anyways, so we're not going to try to salvage any of it. You got one of the bedrooms in here. It's a little bit worn out. Kind of does, it smells a little like rotting food almost in here. So we're going to discover whatever that smell is over the next couple days. This is the primary. Not a really big upgrade in terms of size compared to the other 2 bedrooms, but you do have the ensuite right here, which will just be a normal walk-in shower as well. We're going to redo all that. Like I said, a budget of about 40, unfortunately like $45,000 on this. I'm pretty much comparing this to the one that we had down the street that we're almost done with, and I believe that one's going to be right at 45 as well. So just going to be another plug and play. It's very similar, so that's always a good thing, is like we know what we're going to spend on this, or I know what I'm going to spend on this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Follow me for more on Instagram and TikTok. This one will probably take, we have like 6 projects going on, so this one will probably take like 4 weeks, my guess is. So mid-November, which is not an ideal time for listing a property, but hey, we're moving through the rest of the year. We're going to start 2025 off strong.